Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll try to understand how we can delete worksheets. So if there are unwanted worksheet which you do not want uh, for any calculations, or it has only data which is irrelevant to your models or data analysis, you can just delete those sheets. It's a very simple task. As a child, even a child can do it. So how we can do is you need to select the relevant sheet which you want to delete. So you need to select any of the sheets which are provided here. Suppose I want to delete sheet 1. Yeah. So it has any junk data in it. So I want to delete sheet 1. So what I'll do is I'll right click on it. So uh, just to mention, I'll show you 3 ways in which how we can do it. 2 are in the form of mouse clicks. 1 is in the form of keyboard shortcut. 1 second. Yeah. So sheet 1, if I want to delete it, I'll go to sheet 1, right click on it, and there you have the option to delete it. Yeah. So I'll select delete. It will ask me Microsoft Excel will permanently delete the sheet. Do you want to continue? I say delete. If I say cancel, it will not delete it. But if I want to delete it, I'm sure of it. I'll say delete and I'll say yes, I want to delete. You can see sheet 1 has got deleted. Yeah. So this is one way of doing it. Yeah, so sheet can be deleted. Second way of doing or deleting a sheet is, suppose I want to delete sheet 2 because I do not have any data. There is no point in having an empty sheet in your Excel workbook. Yeah, so I'll go to Home tab. Within the commands, you can see the delete option. You click on the arrow which is next to the delete option. Okay, so here is the delete option. You can click on the arrow which is next to the delete option, and you will get an option to delete sheet. Okay, so this is the option you need to select, say delete sheet, and just have a look at the sheet tabs that we are doing, because it will delete the current sheet. So it is going to delete the sheet 2 that is open right now. So I'll say delete sheet. It will straight away delete. Now this particular command will not ask you whether you want to delete it or not. Whereas if you try to right click a sheet and try to delete it, it will ask you whether you want to delete it. Yeah. Whether over here from this command, if you want to delete any sheet, suppose I'm deleting sheet 3, it will directly delete it. Yes. Right now it is asking. Okay. So if it is an empty sheet, okay. Now this is an empty sheet. If I say delete sheet, it will not ask me anything. But if it has any data, suppose I have this data in it, it will ask me for a confirmation to delete it. Yeah, you can see this. Okay. So empty sheet, there is no confirmation required. But if you have data within the sheet, even if there is a single character or single number in it, it will ask for a confirmation to delete. So these are the 2 ways in which you can delete it. The third way again is using your keyboard. So you press Alt. So your keyboard, your ribbon shortcuts shows up. So press H for the home tab, and the other commands, it will start showing you the alphabets you need to delete. So press D, which is next to delete, and then S, which is related to delete sheet. I'll press S. Okay. And it will ask me for deletion. I'll press delete. Okay. So these are the 3 ways in which you can delete sheet. First was through right clicking the sheet and deleting. Second was through home tab. And third way was through home tab, but using your keyboard. Yeah. So every time I'm doing certain action, I want you to know the keyboard shortcuts as well, so that you become efficient while you're learning Excel. Because this keyboard shortcuts, if you learn while practicing, then it will become an habit. Yeah. So this is how you can delete sheets. Hope you understood the concept. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you have any views or feedback on Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get such videos which will be getting uploaded on YouTube all 365 days in this year. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you so much.